LFA CC 50 is a pneumatically driven can crusher. This machine boasts up to 2.5 tons of compaction force and is able to compact any can up to 50 litres in size. The dimensions of this is 450mm wide, 450mm deep and 580mm high. At the bottom of the machine there's a sump area where you can put a bucket or something to contain any liquids or residuals that are coming through the bottom of the plate. And size wise you're looking at 210mm by 450 by 450. First thing that you need to do is check that this valve is open to let the air through to the machine. Currently it's in its open position, it's closed, back to open. So now the machine is fully operable. When loading the can into the machine, simply place it inside, central to the piston. All you have to do then is to close the door to start the compaction. You'll hear that the compaction is complete when the air pressure stops. When the compaction is complete, simply open the door back up and this will release the air pressure, bringing the press plate back up to the top. It'll take roughly 10 seconds. The clamp at the top will release, then it allows us to open the door. You can now see we've got a nice 5:1 compaction ratio on the can.